Finally, after years of waiting, welcome everybody to the Rusty Cornfuel review, the 2021 version v the 2024 version. I'm going to take a look at both the tail and counterparts to see anything different. I highly doubt it, but I thought it'd be a little bit of a cool video to do, so crank this up. Let's start off with the 2021 version. Nothing interesting. 2024 version is probably nothing interesting as well. Yep, typical. Tell the difference. This one has a square splitter, and this one has just its splitter. So let's start off with the older one. We'll start off with the older version of Rusty, and we'll see how this goes. Fun fact: I actually got this at just a normal toy store. So yeah, this 2021 version. So there is Rusty. There's his tag. There's the amount of the packaging. This is his splitter. His name tag. Looking at the car. Yeah. Toe cap. Hitch protector. Here's yellow splitter. Get a giant number 4 on the top for some reason. Yeah, pretty good looking race car. To tell the difference, I'm going to put it behind the name tag. Let's move on to the 2024 version. Open this up and take a look at it. There we go. There's the two packaging. The 2024 version of Rusty Cornfuel. Yep. The same yellow number. Let's do some comparisons between these two race cars. Off with the you can see the difference. Let me know if you can see the differences in the comment section below. You got the 2021 version, the 2024 version. Two pretty good looking race cars. Yeah. Got Rusty. Drainy details. The yellow might be a tad different. Just a tad, maybe. Very few differences to compare to the 2021 version, so yep. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. These are two good looking race cars. If you get your hands on them, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you in the next review. Goodbye.